I am Nikita. I am from Karnataka. I have done my graduation from Bangalore in BE in Aeronautical Engineering, and I have joined Golden Epaulettes in the month of August for the Indigo Cadet program and for the CAE program. I have been taking coaching here for the software, where they provide the training for the software, ball game, simulator, fast test, and all the instructions are given very clearly, and find all the information is been provided by the GE people in depth. GE also group discussions, many new topics have been discussed which will all cover in our cadet program. Yeah, it's been amazing. Here the faculty, they provide all the information, they help us in every step, they guide us in each and every step, and the experience in GE is amazing. Initially, the students who have not been ever playing for the video games, it is really important for them who would have the hands-on experience, and they would experience themselves before entering to the exam, so that it becomes very easier for the students to crack that. Flying, maintaining altitudes, having experience in all of them helps them to really crack the interviews or the rounds very easily. It was amazing having an experience on the simulator A-320, which our GE gave an opportunity to have a first experience on the simulator A-320. It was really amazing. Having hands-on experience, really amazing.